we're going to be making our own dough. Right now, I need the own paint, made my own paste with shampoo. I was trying to mix it, so I have a lot of powder, salt, a bit of water, shampoo, and baking powder or baking soda.
Salt, occasioning actual bodily harm.
So this is what it looks like. You can see it's blue. I added like this edible glow and I made it blue. Don't look like oil, but it smells like shampoo. So what we need is I got a bit of salt, if you can see. It's a bit light, but we put added right. Add a tiny bit more, and then you mix it all together.
Jet 2 holidays, package holidays you can trust. Axel protected.
This weekend it'll be blend away with this professional drive $14.99 and this hair and beard trimmer also $14.99.
And you can get any different type of shampoo and stuff. And then I'm just gonna add a bit more.
And golden balls. Win tickets or prizes to win in 2017 with special packs.
And then add more salt. So this is what it looks like.
One entry, and you could be there too.
So we can slime, kind of slime.
With ideas, so our sofa collections have something for everyone. Take our latest spring collection sofas. They come in a choice of styles and colours and are now up to half price. Like the Crosby, just £599. Savings on selected sofas very soon. DFX.
If you go with second best, there will always be second thoughts. Nissan Qashqai, the original urban hospital. Now, the ultimate crossover comes with the ultimate deal. An extra £750 off when you test drive this May.
Not slime, the salt in this. It's blue, but blue. You can see. We're just gonna put it in there, and then
Whatever your story, this is
a doughy kind of effect. And it looks so doughy. You can play with it once it's done. Just get your hands messy. Make sure you don't put your hands in that because it's shampoo. I used it here. I only use a little bit of it. I used a lot of salt and stuff. So all these ingredients are not good for your mouth, guys. So don't use it for your mouth. So I got a pinch over here. And it feels just like dough, but if you want it slimy, you can make it slimy. Oh, I broke. Ah, that was. Ooh, that hurt. Yeah, it just felt weird. So you just keep mixing so all the other parts, and then if it's just go back to dry, get a bit more water because look, mine is still got just like drained, it's still drained. I want you to focus on this because so we're gonna add a bit more of that salt. Then we want more water. I'm gonna put it in my little container and shake it up because it has salt. I want it salty water. and this is what the water looks like right now. It was clear water, now it's all disgusting and horrible because it's salty and yeah. So we're gonna add a bit of that. You have to be careful, don't add too much or it'll go too slimy. And it's like dough slime, so you can leave it and get your hands messy.
Well, you thought wrong, didn't you? Oh, and just so we're clear, this is the last time that I try and help you out. It's all yours. I'm sorry, Lord.
So now it's gone a bit dirty, but very slimy as well. I want to make slime, but I didn't show you that. I cut the part of when I added all the ingredients and made it into glue because it went pretty wrong, so I made it on this side of the board. So then, once it's finished, you can go try and play with it. And it'll be so fun. I'm gonna end it shortly, so.
It's not that you messed up, I've had years of that. It's that you lied to me again.
You can go check it out, and you can go make your own dough. You don't need to like cook it in the pan. Last time I cooked it in the pan and used flour, but I used all different ingredients. I don't know why. I just
It was you, weren't it? You ran out field.
oh god, it's a bit slimy. So we're gonna add more water, all of that, and
Why don't you just do what you do best?
then
Nothing.
mix it up.
And then nobody gets hurt.
Mix it up. Make it slimy, but it won't connect together and stuff, and you can kind of play with it. I'm just gonna add a bit of that salt I just had in. There's no more salt anyway, so nothing else to use. But it is quite slimy, you can't play with it. Obviously not. It's really slimy and it gets a bit sticky and stuff like. So this is what the slime. You only can play with it like in the bowl, not in your hand, but it's slimy at all. I made it blue for some reason. It's supposed to be glitter because I added edible glitter. But it's like edible glitter, you don't eat it on its own, you like put it on cakes and you can eat it. But last time I just tried it and it was like disgusting. It tasted like real glitter. It doesn't mean that I tried glitter before. It just tastes weird. So after that we are done and the slime is completely mixed and good. It's like a doughy slime, so we're gonna add a bit more of water and add that until it's a nice mixture of slime in here. And this is a big bowl of slime and I love the color. In the screen it looks like a dark blue, but it's actually a nice mint kind of color, but a bit darker mint. And it gets really sticky and stiff. Oh god, it's stiff. Oh god. So I'm gonna end the vid here, but I hope you enjoyed. And I don't know what the hell I made right now, but I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below whatever weird little experiments should I make next. Should I make a salt experiment? I like salt. Just like salt and chips. So, let's keep playing with this. Ew, yeah. It smells definitely like shampoo. Yum, yum, yum. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next vid. Oh, I see you. Oh god, oh god. Oh no. Huh? I am a star to play with, guys. So I'm gonna go put it in the container and I'm gonna go now. I'll play a more Roblox and see you in another Roblox adventure. Bye, guys!